So we're at Sunset Cliffs Natural Park right here in Point Loma, and by the look of the sky behind me, this could get interesting. So I put a little call out on my Instagram feed, Explore with Jason, for anybody in the San Diego area, any photographers who want to meet up tonight. No idea if anybody's going to come because I kind of thought about doing this at the last minute. We are about an hour or so from sunset, so we'll see what happens.
If you remember me.
Well, I'm kind of stuck right now. Do I go low or do I go high? Because up here we got an incredible view of the light rays hitting the ocean. And there may be some unique features here with these eroding cliffs in the foreground. The other thing is down there on the beach are a lot of rocks that could also work good as a foreground element. So thing is, I don't have time to do both, so maybe we'll have to come back here another night. Well, not really sure we're going to get a lot from tonight's sunset, but I'm still hopeful. We'll see what happens when the sun hits the horizon. Well, I don't think the cloud's going to cooperate with us tonight. It is just about sunset, and I don't see any signs of the sun peeking through on the horizon. So at most we're going to get a little color out of the sky, but that's about it for tonight. We'll see. I'm going to hang out here for a few more minutes. Yeah, I think it's time to call it a night. Beautiful evening out here in California. Wish we could have had a little bit better light out there on the horizon, but you know what? We still have a few more nights here. I think tomorrow we might go down low and use some of those rocks that are in the surf for foreground and see what it looks like down there. But if not, trust me, I got a few other places that we're going to be exploring.
But I won't, not here, not now. Well, I was the one who got away.
Hey guys, I'm going to call an episode for tonight. Do me a favor, like this video, share it with your friends, click that subscribe button, and remember, never stop exploring.
I just couldn't stay.